Setting the secondary clutch. The secondary clutch that is responsible for driving the mower forward requires some adjustment from time to time, because the friction clutch lining that it utilizes wears down. An unadjusted clutch can cause clutch slippage, which can make the mower drive slower than normal, or result in the need to depress the clutch lever harder in order to get the mower moving. Step 1. The secondary clutch features an M6 bolt that runs through the entire secondary clutch assembly. This bolt needs to be adjusted in such a way that it can freely rotate but display absolutely no inwards or outwards play. Step 2. To adjust the M6 bolt, you will require two 10mm spanners. Looking through the adjustment access on the engine table, you will notice the bolt sticking through the operating lever release, and it will feature two separate nuts. Step 3. First, loosen the outer nut slightly, which should make it possible to tighten the inner nut. Adjust the inner nut until the bolt can be rotated freely by hand, but cannot be pushed or pulled inwards or outwards. Step 4. Once the bolt has been correctly adjusted, place a 10mm spanner on the inner nut and use the second 10mm spanner to lock the outer nut, which ensures that the nuts cannot come loose whilst the machine is in operation. Step 5. To double check that the secondary clutch has not been overly adjusted, carefully roll the mower forwards and backwards and ensure that the intermediate sprocket assembly, which can be found behind the large 41T sprocket, freely rotates along with the drums. Should the drums lock up, then it would indicate that the nuts on the M6 bolt need to be backed off slightly.